Embodying the spirit of Formula One on the streets, the Aston Martin DBX707 AMR24 Edition makes a bold statement with its fusion of high-performance engineering and luxurious craftsmanship. Inspired by Aston Martin's racing heritage and designed for enthusiasts seeking exhilarating driving dynamics, this limited edition SUV transcends traditional boundaries to deliver a thrilling automotive experience like no other. At the heart of the DBX707 AMR24 Edition beats a formidable 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, tuned to unleash a staggering 707 horsepower. This powerhouse is not just about raw power, it's a symphony of precision engineering, delivering blistering acceleration and dynamic handling capabilities that rival many sports cars on the market today. The exterior design of the DBX707 AMR24 Edition exudes aggression and sophistication in equal measure. Aerodynamic enhancements, including a distinctive front splitter and rear diffuser, optimize airflow for enhanced stability at high speeds while accentuating its athletic stance. Carbon fiber accents and exclusive AMR24 badging further underscore its performance pedigree, making it instantly recognizable on the road. Step inside, and the cabin of the DBX707 AMR24 Edition envelopes occupants in opulence and cutting-edge technology. Premium materials, such as handcrafted leather upholstery and carbon fiber trim, create an ambience of luxury and sportiness. Ergonomically designed seats provide both comfort and support during spirited driving, ensuring a memorable experience for driver and passengers alike. Technological innovation abounds within the DBX707 AMR24 Edition, where advanced infotainment features and driver assistance systems merge seamlessly with Aston Martin's racing DNA. A state-of-the-art digital cockpit offers intuitive controls and real-time performance data, enhancing the driving experience while maintaining focus on the road ahead. Beyond its impressive performance credentials, the DBX707 AMR24 Edition embodies exclusivity and craftsmanship synonymous with the Aston Martin brand. Each vehicle is meticulously hand-assembled to exacting standards, ensuring unparalleled quality and attention to detail that discerning customers expect from a bespoke luxury SUV. As a limited production model, the DBX707 AMR24 Edition represents a pinnacle of automotive engineering and design innovation. It pays homage to Aston Martin's storied racing history while pushing boundaries to redefine what is possible in a high-performance SUV. Its arrival on the automotive scene marks a celebration of speed, luxury, and uncompromising performance for enthusiasts who demand nothing but the best. In conclusion, the Aston Martin DBX707 AMR24 Edition stands as a testament to the marque's commitment to excellence and innovation. With its F1-inspired design cues, potent V8 engine, and bespoke craftsmanship, it represents the ultimate fusion of track-inspired performance and everyday luxury, a vehicle that not only turns heads but also delivers an exhilarating driving experience that is second to none.